Every day we wake up is an opportunity to be better than yesterday. My name is George Bustos. I'm a filmmaker and photographer. My work has allowed me to experience places I could only dream of. However, what I truly love the most is bringing ideas and stories to life. Whether I'm on set filming or at home editing, there's something about the process that makes me feel alive. Because of this, I feel like I always have something to look forward to. And what's living life without that? Are you truly living? Find your passion, embrace the process, embrace discomfort.